What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over a few ways that you can make money online according to CBS News. Stay to the end of the video because I'm going to give you my ways that I'm going to be making money in 2024 if you guys are interested in that. I wanted to jump on here as well and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, CBS News, how to make money online in 2024, guys. There are many ways that we did it in 2023, right? But we want to find new ways to make new income in 2024. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I do a little freelance, I do a little acting. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can do, right? In order to make that extra income. Plus, a better job, you can ask for a raise at a job and stuff like that. So there's many ways that you can do, but let's see what CBS News has to offer on this article. I'm gonna scroll down real quick. There's not many days left in 2023, guys. So I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Of course, I hope that you guys, I hope that you guys have a prosperous 2024. I know I haven't been on here for a while. I've been concentrating on my acting career, signed up with a few talent agents, and I'm getting a lot of work. And hopefully in 2024, we can, go ahead and take Hollywood by storm. But we're going to keep scrolling down. And the first way that they say that you can make money in 2024 is by taking paid surveys. I heard about these guys. I never done them myself. I know that depending on how many you take, the more surveys you take, the more money they pay. So have you ever completed surveys online or by phone? There are multiple companies that you can do and get started with. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you want to click on here and read this article. But you can start making money by going to these different websites. One of them is takepaysurveys.com, Survey Junkie. You can take surveys and earn rewards. So very cool. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if that's something that you're interested in, right? If you have the time, you're just hanging around the house, you got nothing better to do, I guess, and instead of watching Netflix the whole Saturday evening or whatever, maybe you want to jump on here and make some money, you can do that. Simply go to the website and set up an account. It's free to do so and answer a few questions. I'm assuming that they will ask you for your information and stuff like that in order to pay you. The second way that you can make money in 2024, according to CBS News, is to become an online assistant. In the era of remote and hybrid work, it makes sense that there will be a need for online help too. A simple search on websites like Indeed, right, or LinkedIn can help you surface online or virtual assistant jobs. You can go on there and you can look for virtual assistant jobs if you want to work from home. Have you ever done something like that? Let me know in the comments below. This includes everything from scheduling phone calls to responding to client emails and organizing the employer's calendar and more. So pretty much what you're doing, you're like a virtual assistant, which I heard it could be profitable if you do it enough for long enough, or you're probably doing it for several companies at the same time. So that could be a good way to make money in 2024. Sure, why not? Work with an online marketplace to sell your stuff. How many items do you have around the house? We collect a lot of items throughout the years, guys. Most of them end up like in the garage or end up in spare rooms. I know a friend of mine, he used to go to the Goodwill and then buy a few shirts, right, for $1 or $2 and then list them up on eBay and sell them for a profit, maybe $5 or $10. And it requires a little bit of work, but you can go to these discount retailers and you can buy items at a lower price and then sell them online for a higher profit. So you can do that as well. Chances are that there are decent amounts of items from electronics to kitchen appliances to backyard equipment and furniture that you don't need and you don't use any longer. I know a lot of people are guilty of this. I know I'm not gonna mention her name, but she's got a room full of shoes and dresses and things like that she never used, and she can probably list them on eBay and make good money from it. Do freelance work. There's no shortage when it comes to freelance work. I know websites like Upwork and Fiverr, they're always hiring. Freelance work is a little bit tricky because sometimes you will go months without having any work, and then sometimes you'll have 3 or 4 jobs available. Only the people that are on the top 1 or 2% continue to get the job, right? The ones that got the good ratings. You need good ratings and good reviews to get the job, but you need a job to get good reviews and good ratings. So it's kind of like a catch-22. So if you want to check websites like that, like Upwork or Fiverr, feel free to do that, and I'm sure that you can find some work on there as well. Freelancing. So if you don't want to work 9 to 5. Tutor students. I speak Spanish. I'm sure that people out there need help with Spanish. Maybe some people need help with math. I know that's a big one. You can tutor somebody. Are you talented in math? There's always people looking for that. The days of sitting elbow to elbow with a student to help them with the homework are over. You can do this over Zoom You can meet anytime with anyone to help them do better at the SATs. You can teach them math. You can teach them Spanish. You can teach them anything that you have talent for, guys. You can always teach, which brings me to my next point, right? I've been going to guitar lessons for about a year now. I started in 2015. My guitar teacher has an average of maybe like 10 students per day. So he's bringing in that money, right? Teaching what he's talented at. His talent, something that he loves to do. And he doesn't work a day of his life because he is teaching and having fun and just loving what he does. So that's a good way to make money in 2024. The bottom line, guys, is looking to becoming an online assistant or a seller or an online marketplace. You can also search for freelance work opportunities online in the field you're familiar with. Or you can even explore tutoring students over Zoom. Those are the ways that CBS News is telling you guys that you can make money in 2024 as we move more towards a digital world, right? 99% of my job I can do online. We move towards a digital world where people don't need to be present to teach you and to make money and to teach you to do how to do the things that they love to do. All right, guys, and that was my video. Quick and short and easy ways to make money in 2024. Do you have any other ways that you can share in the comments below for people that are trying to make money in 2024? Like I said, I was gonna give you a couple tips myself, right? If you're skilled at playing guitar, you can teach how to play guitar. If you're skilled at acting, you can teach acting lessons. If you're skilled at music in any way, piano lessons or anything like that, you can do that. Online, you can sell products, right? If you go down in the description, you can see that I'm selling t-shirts and all that for the IPO nerd. T-shirts, coffee mugs, and all that. Most of these websites, like Teespring, right? They allow you to create your design and then just sell it. And they take a cut of the profit. They take care of everything, the printing, the shipping, and all that, so you don't have to worry about it. You can also go on websites like Udemy or what's the other one? Coursera. You can list your courses there. And you get a cut of the profit. They take care of everything, the platform and promoting your course and all that. So there are many, many ways to make money online in 2024, guys. But I want to hear your favorite ways to make money in 2024. And thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Like I say, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, guys, take care of yourselves. Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.